Hey there, fellow programmers! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial in store for you. We'll be diving into the world of Python programming using PictoBlox. And guess what? By the end of this video, you'll have created your own simple interest calculator. So let's not waste any time and get right into it. Before we begin with coding, let me show you what we are going to achieve in this tutorial. Behold our simple interest calculator. But first thing first, ensure you have PictoBlox installed on your computer. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the official website. I've provided the link in the description below. Once you have it installed and open, we can proceed to the part of coding. So, with just a few lines of code, we'll be able to calculate the interest on the principal amount using the formula interest equal principal multiply rate multiply time. Now, let's roll our sleeves and start coding. moment of truth. Let's run the code and see our simple interest calculator in action. So, enter the values for principal under the rate and time when prompt, and look at the result. Okay. Oh, you've just created your very own interest calculator here. And there you have it, folks. In just a few minutes, we've learned how to create a simple interest calculator using Python programming in PictoBlox. We've covered taking user input, performing calculations, and displaying the output. So this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to programming possibilities with PictoBlox. So keep exploring, keep coding, and stay curious. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting coding adventures. And thanks for joining, and happy coding, everyone!